In this lecture, we are going to learn why we downloaded a text editor. We are going to use it to write an external file, and then we will learn how to open that file in Python using the terminal. Let's begin by opening our text editor. Now, we can rewrite our Hello World program just inside of our text editor. So I'm going to write print hello world. And we can save this as ext.py. Make sure you use the .py extension for all Python files. We can save this to the folder we created at the beginning of the course. Now that it's saved, let's try to run it in the terminal. We can open the terminal. And so to run a file, we type Python, and if you're on Mac, you type Python3 to run Python, followed by the file name, in this case, ext.py. However, I don't think this will work. And now it says no such file or directory. This means Python can't run the file because it can't find it. We have to use cd and ls to open our Python course folder before we run it. If you can't remember how to use cd and ls, please revisit the earlier lecture on the console basics. However, I will type ls, and as you can see, these are my options. I'll type cd desktop. Now I type ls, and you can see there's my Python course folder, so I'll type cd python course. Now I'll type ls, and there's ext.py, so I'll type python 3 ext.py. And there it is, it runs the file. And we can make a simple change. We can say input, what is your name? And then we can press up to bring up our last command, press enter, and there it is, hello world, what is your name? JT. And there you go, that's the basics of how we use a text editor. We'll be using it more from now on. In the next video, we're going to talk about math, and we're actually going to be using the shell again rather than a text editor.